Luna's Fading Rainbow. Part 1, The Fading Rainbow. One bright rainbow danced in the sky. Until pop. Red vanished. Then orange, yellow, and more colors disappeared too. The rainbow was fading fast. Part 2, Luna notices. Luna peeked outside. The rainbow is gone, she gasped. Grabbing her yellow raincoat and red boots, she followed the fading light. Don't worry, she said. I'll bring you back. Part 3, The Sparkly Trail. A twinkly trail of rainbow drops shimmered into the forest. Luna followed, her eyes wide with wonder. Each step felt magical, as if the trees were watching with smiles. Part 4, Meeting Red. Inside a warm, glowing cave, Luna found Red, who was a shy, fiery bird hiding behind glowing rocks. I'm too bright, he said sadly. Luna smiled. You're just right. Red glowed proudly again and flew back up to the sky. Part 5, Bouncing into Orange. Luna giggled as a jolly pumpkin bounced around the patch. I got lost playing, laughed Orange. Come back with me, Luna said. With a joyful bounce, Orange leapt into the sky. Part 6, Yellow's Cloudy Nap. High on a fluffy cloud, a yellow cat snoozed in golden light. Time to shine, Luna whispered. Yellow stretched, yawned, and beamed. Thanks for the wake-up, he smiled, floating upward. Part 7, Green in the Pond. By a glowing pond, Green the frog peeked from under a leaf. I don't think I matter much, he whispered. Luna pointed to the trees, grass, and leaves. You matter everywhere. Part 8, The Blue Sky Cry. Blue the cloud sobbed sparkling tears. I'm too gloomy, he sniffled. Luna held his hand. Blue is calm, brave, and beautiful. With a soft smile, Blue drifted back into the sky. Part 9, Purple's Flower Maze. Luna tiptoed through tall lavender blooms. Hello, she called. A royal butterfly fluttered by, looking lost. Follow me, said Luna. With a trail of sparkles, she guided Purple safely out. Part 10, The Rainbow Returns. The sky lit up as the rainbow returned, full and bright. Luna twirled and laughed beneath it. You're back, she cheered. The rainbow sparkled and winked. The world felt magical again. It seemed to smile down at her, as if to say, thank you for playing with us. The sun came out fully now, making everything glow with warm, golden light. Luna's adventure had turned a rainy day into something truly magical. She couldn't wait to tell her family about her rainbow adventure. As she reached her front door, she turned to wave goodbye to her new rainbow friends. See you next rainy day, Luna called out. And as if in response, the rainbow seemed to twinkle just a little bit brighter. Luna knew that from now on, rainy days would always be full of wonder and magic. All she needed was her yellow raincoat, her red boots, and her umbrella to find her colorful rainbow friends to have fun on rainy days.